Okay, what's up, YouTube? Not FaZe Rug. I was watching FaZe Rug like right now. I mean, JJ's back here with another video. And also, videos from FaZe Rug.
At 3 a.m. We're going to do the first 3 a.m. challenge at the FaZe Rug Haunted Tunnel. Are you ready?
But they're going to the FaZe Rug Haunted Tunnel at 3 a.m. So, what I'm going to go outside, guys. Oh, my hovers with this weird. Also playing basketball, I took the hoop down, so that's that room right there. Guys, we're just pouring rain. As you see right here's what. Right there's what's. We're out there right now, guys. There I am the one. As you can see, I have a trophy. Pretty wet, but not really. Yeah. Oh, cool. Sorry about that, guys. Let's see a video. I just wanted to see it. Peace out. It ain't my fault.